Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the clip and project settings. Import your original lens profile if you have one, and set spatial conform to none so final cut doesn't auto-scale. Once done, duplicate the clip in the timeline so you always have the untouched original to revert to. Make sure the project's frame size and frame rate match your source. Mismatches change distortion behavior. Now open the inspector so you can apply the corrective effects and see live parameter feedback while you adjust. Next, apply the lens correction or fisheye effect from Effects Distortion and drop it onto your duplicate clip. You control how much correction happens with the amount slider. Start small and ramp up while watching edges. Use scale sparingly to recover framing. Zoom too much and you lose resolution. If the warp introduces motion artifacts, switch the clip's retiming to optical flow or enable frame blending for smoother motion. Make subtle horizontal and vertical adjustments to center lines and keep straight geometry aligned. To finish, refine the correction by masking areas that need different treatment and keyframe parameters if the distortion changes during the shot. Once satisfied, apply stabilization only after distortion correction to avoid altering warp calculations, then finalize color grading and crop to remove any black edges. Export a short test clip to verify sharpness and motion. Troubleshooting tip: if warping creates artifacts, revert to the duplicate, reduce correction amount, or use a plugin with a dedicated lens profile for more accurate results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.